Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll quickly walk through how to connect Watsonx.Data with Python and PySpark on Watson Studio Notebook and set up IBM Cognos Analytics connection. First, connect to any database using Python or Spark. Import the required libraries. Then load your data into Watsonx.Data. Make sure to describe the schema and table, ensuring all metadata is defined. With data loaded, connect Watsonx.Data to Python for queries, or set up a Spark session for distributed data processing. While connecting Spark, make sure to use PySpark plus Python Notebook on Watson Studio. To connect Cognos Analytics, first ensure Watsonx.Data is ready for external connections. Configure Cognos by adding the JDBC driver to the Cognos Analytics drivers folder location. Then create a new data server connection and provide the necessary connection details and make sure SSL is true. The JDBC driver download link is mentioned in the bio. Enter all the necessary credentials. Here we can see you have successfully established the connections. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow Veracities. If you have any question, please get in touch with us.